Zhang Teng shared the working principle of the Venturi scrubber. The waste gas is drawn into the Venturi tube's contraction section by the fan's suction force. The narrowed throat tube increases the gas flow rate, allowing the gas and liquid to mix initially. The atomizing nozzles installed at the air inlet further promote the contact and mixing of the gas and liquid, capturing larger pollutants in the gas, which fall directly to the bottom of the scrubber due to gravity. Fine pollutants, however, continue to rise under the fan's suction force and enter the packing layer. The packing layer increases the contact area between the waste gas and the absorption liquid, providing sufficient time for thorough chemical reactions. After passing through 2 layers of packing, the gas rises to the demisting layer, where water mists in the gas are captured and condensed, falling to the bottom of the tower. The demisted gas is then discharged through the exhaust port in compliance with standards or sent to the subsequent treatment stage for further processing. The packing layer of the tower body adopts a modular design, which is convenient for maintenance and reduces equipment costs. The modular design enables direct replacement of the packing, saving maintenance costs in the long run. My name is Jiang Teng Linda. I am the manufacturer of dust collectors. We offer customized ultra-low emission dust